Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore external drive data using Recuva, full guide step by step clearly. To start restoring your external drive data using Recuva, first, ensure you download and install Recuva from the official website. Once installed, connect your external drive to your computer. Launch the Recuva application to begin the recovery process. You will see a welcome wizard. Click Next to proceed. Select the type of files you want to recover, such as pictures, documents, or all files. After selecting the file type, click Next again. Now, choose the location of the files you want to recover. Select in a specific location and browse to your external drive. Once the location is set, click Next. In the next step, you have the option to enable Deep Scan for a thorough examination. If you want a deeper analysis, check this option and click Start. Recuva will now begin scanning your external drive for recoverable. This process may take some time, depending on the size of the drive. Once the scan is complete, a list of recoverable files will be displayed. Here, you can preview the files to confirm which ones you would like to recover. Select the files you want to restore by checking their boxes. After making your selections, click the Recover button. You will be prompted to choose a recovery location. Make sure to select a location that is not on the external drive to avoid overwriting data. After choosing the location, click OK to initiate the recovery. Recuva will begin restoring the selected files to the specified location. Once the recovery is complete, navigate to the chosen folder to check your restored files. If you encounter any issues during the process, refer to Recuva's help section for troubleshooting tips. Your external drive data should now be successfully restored. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.